It's Kylie Jenner versus Kendall Jenner in our best dressed of the week list. Hey guys, it's Katrina and it's definitely Fashion Friday, so let's start with the incomparable Jessica Chastain, who got her well-deserved star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and she couldn't have looked more flawless while doing so. Jennifer Lawrence, meanwhile, gave me total Katniss vibes at the Britannia Awards this week. Pink looked so good against her complexion. Felicity Jones also made an appearance and was looking so boho chic, as always, stunning. The CMA Awards were, of course, also this week, and I could not take my eyes off Beyonce, really channeling the Lemonade aesthetic for her performance of Daddy Lessons. Taylor Swift also pushed the sexy envelope, but she didn't walk the carpet. That was all Carrie Underwood. Carrie blew me away in a total of 11 outfits at the award show. We also have to mention birthday girl Kendall Jenner in this jaw-dropping sparkling mini. In fact, it almost looks identical to the dress Paris Hilton wore on her 21st. Kylie, on the other hand, rocked lace-up leather pants and a completely sheer fishnet top. I don't know, sometimes less is more. There's just a lot happening here. Okay, but that's our list. Make sure you subscribe for my best dress list every Friday.